And I'm like, is that how I die? What's up, you guys? It's your girl Minnie and I am back at it with another flipping video. If you are new to this channel, please hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you get notified anytime I upload a new video, because you don't want to miss out on any of the good vibes that I have going on over here. So I'm doing this eye look today, and like I sketched it out first on my iPad, and then I was like, let me just try it on my face. So if you want to see how I got this look, then let's get right into this video. Alright, so I got my hair braided up. I did it. Look how thin my hair is. Like, I don't understand why it's so thin. Like, this is about to get cut off, like all the way off, like this whole thing. I've been moisturizing my hair with a lot of product. I've been putting oils on my edges, and it's like, is it me? I feel like my edges is running away from me. Look at that spot right here. It's happening over here too, but this is worse than this side. But anyway, let's get started on this makeup look. Alright, so I'm going to use my P. Louise base. I'm going to go in sections because I feel like I've been losing a lot of product, like I said previously in my last couple of videos. I was trying to go the curly route with my hair, and I brought some Cantoon products like Curl Activator and Curl. I'm gonna insert the pictures. And my hair was not curling. My hair doesn't curl. I don't have curly hair. I feel like I have stringy hair. Like, it's not curly at all. Doesn't curl up. Even when I get in the shower, it barely curls up. I'm gonna go into the Magic by Juvias Place and go into this blue shade right here. And we gonna start something. So the other day, I was sleeping, and as y'all know, I have a mark right here. You see that clear patch? It goes all the way down to the eyebrow. And I think even it to my eye, I'm not too sure. It's like right here. So I'm having a dream, and all of a sudden something falls, like hits me real hard in this area right here, and I die. That felt so real. I woke up with the quickness. I couldn't breathe. It was something really heavy that fell on my face, and it just impaled me right here. And I'm like, is that how I died? Is that how I died in the past life? Like, I don't understand what kind of dream that was. Now I'm like trying to be aware of everything that's higher than me. Like, that dream was intense, and I don't want to foresee it. I don't want to be there when it happened, because it felt like it really hurt. Yeah, that dream felt so real. It was so intense. Like, I was so confused. Then I'm going to go into the Warrior 3 by Juvias Place and go into this blue color right here. It felt so real. I'm just like hoping that it doesn't come true. Came back from Omaha. It wasn't too bad. It's not as boring as everybody made it out to be. Yes, I relaxed a little bit. Going back and forth with these two colors. I'm going to clean it up with the micellar water. Going back into my P. Louise base. So I was watching this YouTuber, and she was saying that to focus on one thing that you really love. She was basically saying focus on one thing. right? Like if you're into fashion, just focus on fashion, don't do nothing else. You can have multiple things that you like, that you want to do. People are not going to know what they're coming to your channel for or coming to your Instagram for. And I'm just sitting there like, I don't want to focus on one thing. I want y'all to love me for everything I do, because I feel like I do everything my way and it comes out good. Love to do makeup. I love to dress. That's always been my thing. People used to call me materialistic in high school, and it's like, I'm not materialistic. I just love to dress. I like to look good. It didn't even have to be name brand. Like, they don't even know. I would wear name brand sneakers, but my clothes wouldn't be name brand all the time. And people didn't know that. Why? Because they didn't need to. As long as it looked good to me, I'm going to wear it. My hair, love to do different styles with my hair as well. And I can't just focus on one thing. Like, it's very hard because I like to do everything. That looks so good. Look at that. I really don't know how to market myself because I'm into so many things and my page is like all over the place. I don't know. You guys let me know what I should be doing. I like to do everything. I love to sing, if y'all didn't know. Moral of the story is I want to be great at everything. That's why I'm trying to post multiple times. I'm just going to cover the whole eye. But I just don't want my channel to be only one thing. Who is playing music this loud? They is playing outside. Once it get a little hot, everybody outside playing ball. Yeah, I might have to do a talk over because I'm going to get copywritten. Okay, finally turn the music off. They might turn it back on. So like I was saying, I like to do a lot of things, and there's not one thing that I like less than the other. You know what I'm saying? I enjoy creating makeup looks. I enjoy picking out outfits and taking pictures. I enjoy coloring hair, installing hair, and getting the different hairstyles. And I enjoy singing. I enjoy dancing. Like, I feel like I've been gifted with so many things and I'm just not where I need to be. You know what I'm saying? Sorry if you can hear all these people downstairs. I live on the second floor and they having a ball outside. And now we're gonna clean it up. Going into the P. Louise base again. Nigga got the Queen MJ's going down. I wonder what MJ's he got on. Michael Jordan is not even playing games anymore, and people are still hyped. Like, oh, you got the Queen MJ's on. Like, that's longevity right there. And I don't even think he owned it anymore. That's crazy. Eyes tearing. Give me 1 second. Okay, after my eyes been tearing for like 2 hours, I'm getting back into the swing of things. I'm gonna use white from the James Charles palette. Putting white over here too. I'm gonna go into the Warrior 2 palette and go into this neutral shade right here. I'm gonna do the white. And then I'm gonna go into that nude shade. I'm gonna put it at the top as well. I'm looking like Swan. My friend Lolita says I should do this at the bottom. Dust off this powder. I should use my Too Faced to dust off this powder. It's like gonna be smooth. See that? I don't feel like the white is popping like it should. I'm gonna use my P. Louise base in Hot Orange. Connect the line. Let's see if this Amazon glitter pack works in the inner corner. I love a bright shimmery inner corner, so let's see. I'm gonna use this glue right here. I'm at my E keep falling. It's supposed to be up, but when I use the hot glue gun, I guess when the light get hot, it melts right off. I need to figure out how to glue that back on. I swear, black waterline is always going to be my favorite thing to do. I'm so wild. I didn't even have my lights on. I'm annoyed. Yeah, so this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please comment down below. And until next time, peace.